Day 169. And I might not have done a good job yesterday's video explaining what we're doing. We're not slacking, but we are returning to the Notch Hostel after a night out that we were able to leave some food behind, some clothes behind, just to make the packs a little lighter. It was a little too long of a stretch because of the climbs. Like it would have been like a 18-mile day, I think. Ish. If we did it in one shot, but we would have had Wolf Mountain, South Kinsman, and North Kinsman, Kinsman in one shot, and we were beat. We were like, 12 hours of hiking yesterday to get over 4,000 feet. I mean, Wolf might not have been, I think it was just under. But yeah, so that's what we did. We stayed at this something on shelter. The first shelter in the Whites that you have to pay a fee to stay at. Stay tuned for my thoughts on that going forward. And these hut situations. Anyway, also there's another story developing that I didn't talk about. When I was on Smart Mountain, Smart Fire Tower, I stayed in the Ranger Shack. I noticed like yesterday or the day before, actually the day before, that I had lost my hiker tag. So I put a message out on Far Out it was because I figured it was at Smart Mountain or Moose. It just fell out of my bag because I haven't tied it on the new bag yet. And I put a message at those two locations, and then I didn't get anything back. But yesterday morning, Optimus was looking at this shelter, and there was a message on this shelter that said they had found a tag. We're trying to figure out how they got it ahead of us. Well, they just posted like ahead and behind of where they found it. So if you were going solo or going Nova, you would see it. So I called them up, and they were getting off yesterday for a little bit, and they dropped it off the Notch. So I'm going to get reunited with my hiker tag. I haven't lost it, thank God. Otherwise, it's more of a sentimental value than the actual tag itself. Like everyone's like, you can replace it, you can just buy those. I'm like, yeah, but I want the one that I carried the whole way. So I'm going to get that back. And we have we did a long day yesterday, so the second part of the trip is shorter, and we're starving. We'll get some burgers or something. Burgers and beer. Yeah, stay tuned. So got in early. We're only 5 miles into onto Route 93 where we can get back to the Notch Hostel. And so we've been spending the day kind of after we took a shower and got our laundry put in, walking around Lincoln, New Hampshire. Had some burgers at a restaurant, but I'm having a hell of a time finding a place to buy a pack of cigarettes. Where is this 7-Eleven? Well, I'm back at the Notch Hostel, and I'm gonna order some Chinese food for tonight. My plans, I was gonna do this 302 boomerang they offer, but my plans kind of got screwed up. Optimist and Dr. Quinn are gonna do something different, and it costs like way too much to do by myself. So I guess I'm just gonna head north from here, see where I end up, because logistically, the whites with the huts and the pay campsites are kind of interesting. So we'll see. You know, I don't want to blow a bunch of money here. Not that I don't like to splurge every once in a while and pay some money for a hotel or a nice place to stay, but something about paying $150 for a place that you can't get laundry done or charge your stuff or anything like that is really, you know, kind of crazy. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll see.